So this is the Euro Car Club cruise. We're in Pawanui, and the guy that owns this house just came out and generously allowed the guys to go up on his deck to take some photos. We got Hugo here directing, standing on top of James's BMW, and he's coordinating all the everything. He's the director. So this is looking out Pawanui waterways. Some rather nice houses and boats down here. Are they boats or are they ships? Not sure. Almost qualify as being ships. They're quite large. So yeah, Christian organised this today. Good of him. Lots of organising because it was a combo of Bay Plenty, Auckland and Waikato. So we all sort of met up along the way and we've ended up here. That's why there's so many of us. Good idea. A lot of organising for him. So yeah, kudos to Christian. Here comes the wind. You see the black sky in the background. Does make for some quite nice photos though when the light hits the subject. I'm going to have a quick look over here. If you haven't been to Pawanui, that's one house over there. Probably a bit hard to gauge the size of it, but it's big. And can't quite see it because it's behind these trees, but there's a hill over in the distance there that I think it's that one people like walking up to the top of, and did it a long time ago, probably 30 years ago. I remember it being very steep. So yeah, into the start of the Coromandel here, or part of the Coromandel. Anyway, it's about the cars, but I just don't want to get in the way too much. Did that quick walk through before, and they're taking photos, so I'll keep out of it. But yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, Euro Car Club in NZ, New Zealand. Join up. We're pretty active in the Bay of Plenty. James organises something nearly every month, or pretty much every month, and usually involves a cruise somewhere. He picks some really good roads, so yeah, get involved if you've got a Euro. But quite often there's cars that come along that aren't Euros, and once a year, Hahei to Rod Millen's Leadfoot Ranch to spend the day there. So yeah, it's a good group, pretty chill. We're going for lunch in a minute, so that's going to be great too.